Ang ganda ng show natin ngayong
I know,
gabi.
kompleto.
We had so much fun.
So much
Sana
fun.
kayo rin.
Yes, thank you. At marami po tayong dapat pasalamatan, Bes. Isa-isahin natin sila. Thank you for your support. Ito sila.
Ito.
Comedy Bar would like to thank the following: Minami, Zagu, Minute Burger, Ideacom Digital Karaoke, Flawless, King Sue. Alan K would like to thank Dr. Steve Mark Gunn, Dr. Smanian Pai Kalayan, Dr. Bobby Ang of Asian Eye Institute. Eugene Domingo would like to thank Sir George Salon, Kathy Valencia Skin and Body Center, Watch Republic.
Fabio Ide would like to thank Mercator, Gold's Gym, Dr. Somera of Dane Pro, Jean Moni Salon, Belo, Blue Water Spa, and Paint Shop.
Jay Perillo would like to thank SM Accessories, ENY, GAOC, Converse, Jonathan of Sir George Salon. Tim Malilin would like to thank Asda Urban Salon, White Drive 4G. The band would like to thank My Derma Doctor.
And to my father, Reynaldo Domingo, happy Father's Day. To your father, to your father, to our father.
Gusto mo batiin ko tatay ko?
Bakit?
Paano pag sumagot siya?
Papa Jesus.
Baka tumakbo tayo lahat.
And gusto ko kayong imbitahan, magsisimula na pala ang Sinimalaya 7 sa CCP sa July. Meron po akong entry
Festival
doon.
ito ulit.
Yes, independent films. Kasama po ang babae sa septic tank.
Ikaw to?
Opo.
Talaga?
Opo.
Ang ganda niya na. Sino director mo dyan?
Ang director ko, Marlon Rivera, ang nagsulat, Chris Martinez, ang nagsulat ng Kimedora, Here Comes the Bride. And of course, abangan nyo. And of course, direct ko, abangan nyo ang Joey Gosinfiao's Temptation Island.
Abangan nyo rin yung bago kong pelikula.
Ano yun?
Tao ba ako, inay?
Abangan natin. To our engineer, Jaime Abunita, and engineer Reynaldo Sazon, happy Father's Day.
Bilang bibo, sino sa inyo gusto kumanta?
Sino gustong kumanta?
Come on!
Sino?
Ang ganda!
Ikaw?
Ikaw? Oo. Sige. Ay, gusto niyang kumanta.
Promise?
Ligi dito.
Grabe, oh.
Pangalan ko yan. Ferdy.
Solid ka sa GMA? Oo, solid ka, ha?
Anong kakantahin mo?
Muli.
Muli. Sige, pakinggan na. Palakpakan naman dyan.
Thank you very much! Viva